I was explaining in the car that Costa Rica has all these variations of ecosystems. And to the trained eye of a biologist or an ecologist, they all look completely different. And it all depends on where in the country you are, whether you're on the Pacific slope or the Atlantic slope. It all depends on what altitude you're in. And it all depends also on the latitude of your. Gave free land to whoever wanted to come and cut trees and make use of the land. So when that started happening, it was around the 1920s.
There's a squad back there. So what it's kind of doing is it's starting to like wrap around the tree. So if we were to fast forward this maybe 20 years, this would have taken over the entire